Granny.
What month is this? Okay.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to 16th.
Vlogmas Day.
Vlogmas Day 16.
Welcome. Okay. I hope everyone's doing well today. Welcome all of my subscribers, the new ones and the old ones, and my supporters. All right, I'm coming to you today, and I will be reading the scripture, Ecclesiastic 4:9. Two are better than one, because they have good rewards for their labor. For if they fall, the one will lift up the other one. Ecclesiastic 4:9 in the fourth chapter, verses 9 through 10. Thank you so much. So today I'm getting ready to. I'm getting ready. I'm going to be frying. I have some turkey thighs, and I have one turkey leg that I'm going to be frying today. So I want you all to see me fry the turkey leg and the thighs. But the most I have is the thighs. So, okay, so I'm getting ready. I have the skillet on already, and I think it should be hot enough. And I'm going to be putting my ingredients on top of them. I'm going to stick my glove on real quick so I can get started. Okay. I'm going to be using Complete. Garlic powder. Onion powder. And black pepper. And paprika on also. And also Chesapeake Bay. Thank you. All right. Then I'm going to be kind of mixing it all up together. Give me that fork. I got to lift the cup over there. I don't have the cup. I just want to stir it around in there. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to put it in the skillet. My skillet is hot. Put in I forgot. Got my egg batter. This is milk and egg batter, and then I'll be putting it into the flour.
And she put seasoning in there.
Okay.
She has the same seasoning in her flour that she put on her turkey. Okay, y'all, here's the first batch. Fried turkey. Okay, she putting some more in.
Okay, I'm putting some more in the skillet. So I would have put this in my shaker box, but I didn't know I was going to use but this much right now. So get it. Put this glove. Okay, I'm making the fried corn on the cob.
It has already been
And I'm
seasoned.
putting it also into a mixture of milk and eggs. Then I'll put it into the flour. Then I'll put it into the skillet. Okay. One.
Yeah, she just seasoned with garlic powder, onion powder, complete, paprika, and black pepper. And her flour was seasoned. You can put whatever seasoning on it that you like. As we always say, use what you like. This is just what we like. This will be their lunch today, the fried corn and the fried turkey thighs. When you do your fried corn, make sure you pat it dry so it won't be no water on it.
I don't think.
She's frying it on high, y'all. All right, we'll be back once it's done.
Okay, this is my final touches for to test for my fried turkey thighs and corn on the cob.
Fried.
Fried corn on the cob with fried turkey legs. fried turkey thighs. And it's all been fried. Skillet fried this time. We didn't fry it in. It's been skillet fried this time, not deep fried. But it was still deep fried in the skillet. So, okay. So I'm getting ready. I'm going to show you. I'm going to just do a little taste test with the corn, okay? I love corn. I hope everybody does. Look, this looks so delicious. Boy, it's off the chain. And I know it. You see how it look? You guys look. And just look at all that crispy on it. Corn on the cob. Crispy corn on the cob. Thank you. It's very hot, but it's very good. This is another dish of mine that is sure off the chain also. And I'd like for you to try it. I think you will enjoy it. And I think maybe your guests would too. So this is fried turkey thighs in the skillet. And also fried corn on the cob in the skillet. So please try it. I think you all would like it. And don't forget, this is day 16 Vlogmas.
Vlogmas.
So, thank you, all my subscribers. Everybody, may God bless you for the next video. And I'll see you on the next one, this day 17. Love to with love from Miss Lena's Kitchen. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
And thank you all the members that support her every month and who have the memberships. We really appreciate it. Really, really do. And thank you. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.